Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 16 to 22, 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And of course, please subscribe to show your support sa channel na to. Like and share this video. Comment na rin kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. So let's see. Leo, what's up with you this week? What's coming to you? What are the energies for you this week? Virgo Energy Digest. 12th house. Meron kayong mga ino-overthink. Leo. Pwedeng ito ay tungkol sa isang kaibigan or someone who is close to you. Oo. Some of you naman, meron kayong mga strategies. Lalo na kung kayo ay nasa social media, nasa mainstream, pwede rin yung career ninyo nasa internet. Maaring meron kayong mga strategies na iniisip ngayon kung paano nyo pa mas mapapaunlad yung internet career ninyo or online career ninyo. Some of you are also nagiging focus sa kalusugan. Yung iba, meron kayong mga daily routine na talagang ginagawa nyo para mas maging malusog, malakas, masigla kayo. It's about you healing yourself. Yung iba, nag-yoga, meditation. So, talagang you are focusing on self-improvement, self-empowerment. And I also see na maaring ikaw ay nakakakuha rin ng atensyon sa community, sa maraming tao. Pwedeng sa trabaho mo, sa office, no, napapansin nila na, uy, nag-glow ka, Leo. You are, kumbaga, napapansin nila yung mga magagandang changes sa'yo. Let's see what else. You have the Two of Swords, the Three of Cups, you have the Four of Wands. Some of you mag-host kayo ng party or celebration event sa bahay ninyo this week. Pwedeng may pagsasalo-salo sa bahay nyo, sa apartment mo, with your friends. Kasi meron kayong sineselebrate. So, yung iba, nagsiselebrate ng anniversary. Yung iba, meron kayong achievement sa trabaho. Meron nga ritong na-promote . I see someone who's being promoted to a higher position. Wow. Kaya naman pala. King of Coins. Yung iba rin sa inyo, when it comes to business, kung meron kayong business, maganda yung takbo ng business ninyo. Kaya parang empowered kayo ngayon na alam nyo na tama yung mga steps na ginawa nyo. At yung mga ni-research ninyo, worth it. Oo, pagdating sa business. Some of you naman, maaring, I don't know, maaring magkaroon ng conflict with someone sa kaibigan. Okay? Pwede tong misunderstanding. Pwedeng inggitan. Oo, for some of you. Minsan, merong mga may misinterpret, no? Oo. Yung actions ninyo, minsan iniisip nila na parang pabibo kayo, so, let's say pabibo sa work. Oo, so pwedeng magkaroon dito ng misunderstanding with a friend or a coworker dahil pwedeng may insecurities. Okay? Kasi I see you shining. You are shining. You are gaining a lot of attention. And when it comes to your projects, your business, pwedeng you are nare-recognize, no, sa trabaho, sa business. Kumbaga yung business mo ngayon, you are booming. Nagbo-boom yung mga negosyo mo or mga sources of income mo. If you are into social media, mas marami nakakakilala sa'yo. Temperance. Nako, ito na nga ba yung sinasabi kong conflict with someone. Pwede magkaroon ka ng conflict with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or kapareho mong fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Para kasing dito meron hindi nakapagtimpi. Pwedeng ikaw yon, hindi ka na nakapagtimpi sa kanya. Oo. Let's see what else. Eight of Swords, Two of Wands. I also see na meron kang kumbaga parang nagdadalawang isip ka sa mga plano mo to move. Pwedeng iba kasi sa inyo lilipat ng bahay or lilipat ng work. And iniisip mo na parang binabalanse mo kung tama ba na lumipat na or lumipat ng bahay, lumipat na ng trabaho. Pwede kasing iba sa inyo may kayo ng ng advice sa iba. Tapos syempre mag-a-advise yung iba na, uy, magstay ka muna. Huwag ka muna lumipat. And then ikaw, naguguluhan ka kasi mukhang gusto mong lumipat eh. Diba? You have the Sun in the 3rd house. I think whatever this is na gusto mong baguhin or i-explore, alam mo kasi na dito ka mas magiging maunlad. Parang may gusto kang subukan na something na mas exciting. Kasi pwedeng may mga times na feeling bored ka na alam mo na, na-reach mo na yung goals mo for your career or for your business, and you want to try new things. Maaring meron kang mga ideas, creative ideas na when it would hold mo, no? Sa sarili mo, kumbaga, hinahayaan mong sikreto lang. I mean, sinasarili mo lang kasi hindi ka pa sigurado. But I think this idea is really wonderful. This is brilliant, no? Na pwedeng magbigay ito sa'yo ng financial abundance and also fame. Meron talagang naiinggit dito, Leo, lalo na if you're someone na parang nagfe-flex, no? I mean, there's nothing wrong with flexing, lalo na kung gusto mo naman talaga yon na gawin because you are proud of your achievements. But there are some people here na pwedeng parang kaibigan, akala mo kaibigan mo, pero sa totoo lang, whenever they see you na nagpo-post ka, parang tumataas yung mga kilay nila na, oh, ayun na naman siya, nag-ano na naman. Diba? So, I think, you will realize who this person is. Tapos, parang malulungkot ka kasi hindi mo akalain na siya pala yun. Speak your truth. Have strength, faith, and conviction in your voice. It has never been more needed. So, as long as you are being true to yourself, no, wala, kumbaga, be mo, unapologetic, parang ganon na, nagbabaka totoo ka lang. And kung yung pagiging totoo mo ay inconvenient sa iba or nagiging dahilan para maging insecure sila sa'yo, it's not your problem anymore. Diba? Also, protection. Yes, protect your energies as well. Huwag mong hayaan na maapektuhan ka ng mga kanigahan ng ibang tao kapag alam mo na parang alanganin na yung mga pinag-uusapan nila or yung energies nila medyo off. Stay away from that, okay? And protect your energies. Sabi dito, consider who you allow to take your energy and who you give it away to freely. Okay? So that is your reading. Leo, thank you so much. Bye.